Hello! Welcome back to the channel. This is Marky from PH Books and More. I am back again with another bookish video. Today, we are filming part 9 of my bookshelf tour. We're halfway there. Proud of myself na halfway there na tayo. I think there are only siguro mga 5 or 6 boxes left to film. So yay me! Uh, I'm I'm really hoping to upload all of these either on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. It's December 30 now, so pressure, namin ko pa i-film, but I am excited. Nagiging dual purpose nga tong pag-film kasi I'm taking out all of the books. So nakikita ko kung alin yung kailangang linisin, ano yung boxes na medyo madumi na. So in fairness naman, nagiging two birds with one stone tong video. So good job, Marky. Now today, our video will focus on books. So nasa territory na tayo ng books. A few videos ago, most of them are comic books. So now, we are going to look at some of my books. So, excited na ba kayo? Kasi ako excited na. Also, most of these books are from Ateneo de Manila University Press. Sinuwerte ako around, I think it was June or July. Nagkaroon sila ng sale wherein a lot of their books were really discounted. Parang may nabili ako na less than 100 pesos, parang mga 60 pesos lang. So, sobrang excited ako kasi mga luma yung books eh. Luma in a sense na classics, yung mga libro na nandun. So, super excited. I was able to purchase so many books na sana mabasa natin in 2026. Natatagalan ako sa pagbabasa because I'm doing the book reviews or the book reactions. Pero masaya naman ako sa ginagawa ko. There's no rush in reading naman. Pero tumatanda na rin ako, so sana mabasa ko sila lahat, di ba? Bago ako maging senior citizen. Okay. Okay. So again, most of the books are from Ateneo Press. May iba na galing sa ibang publishers, mainly because yung author. So, sinama ko yung ibang books ng authors na nandito sa boxes na to. So, let's go ahead. Let's start with the bookshelf tour. We will start with one of the authors na I think kilalang kilala ng mga millennial readers, especially with his series in from Adarna Books. So, feeling ko hindi na kailangan ng introduction eh. I have the books of Edgar Calabia Samar, Sir Egay. Let's start with this one. I got this from Adarna. So, tingnan mo, hindi kasha. So, this is 101 Kagilagilalas na Nilalang. So, it's a para siyang compendium ng mga supernatural creatures ng Philippines. So, may mga illustrations and whatnot. Ayan, mga ganyan. Diba? Bongga. So, this is the big one. Ito yung malaking copy or malaking edition niya. Meron to na parang paperback ba or mass paperback yung size. Hindi ko alam yung tawag eh. Basta it's a smaller size. Still from Adarna. Yun yung makikita nyo ngayon sa bookstores. Ito, hindi ko alam kung meron pang nabibili even sa store ng Adarna sa Kamuning. So, hindi ko alam. Itong copy na to, binalikan ko lang sa sale ng Adarna. I think it was 2024. Wala nang copy. Etong natitirang to, sa isa sa staff ng Adarna and binigay na lang niya sa akin para bilhin. So, thank you, Ma'am Tina, for giving me your copy. So, ang saya. Thank you. Okay. So, again, this is from Edgar Calabia Samar. Okay, let's continue. The next one is from Avenida, pero kay Sir Egay pa din. You have Alternatibong Mundo. Tignan mo, hindi ko alam yung title. Alternatibo sa Alternatibong Mundo. There. Medyo magulo naman kasi yung title sa cover. Pero there. So, I believe this is a collection of short stories. Matagal ko na itong nabili. Parang pre-pandemic pa. And tignan mo, galing pa siya sa Visprint. So, there. Next one, we have Pitumpong Patnubay sa Paglikha ng Palagiang Panahon. I got this last March during PBF. So there. This one, yung, I think, most well-known series ni Sir Egay. I read this back in May and na-enjoy ko naman siya. I just felt like, what do you call this? Yung target na readers niya is parang hindi sakto dun sa kwento. Lalo na dun sa mga dulong part na. But it was still a good read for me. So you have Jana Silang, si Jana Silang at ang Tiyanak ng Tabon. That's book 1. Book 2, si Jana Silang at ang Labanang Manananggal, Mambabarang. Then you have book 3, si Jana Silang at ang 77 Pusong. Book 4, you have si Jana Silang at ang Hiwagang May Dalawang Mukha. And then you have book 5, si Jana Silang at ang Lihim ng Santinampan. Again, I've read all of these books. I've made book reaction videos. So if you have the time, punta lang kayo sa channel, makita nyo yun doon. May playlist din ako ng mga reaction video. So you can check them out. Pagtapos nyo dito. Okay. Meron ding box set na nirelease ang Ateneo de Manila Press ng mga libro ni Sir Egay. This is a trilogy, so trilohiya ng mga bilang. So the first one is Walong Diwata ng Pagkahulog. You have Sa Kasunod ng 909. And last one, Teorya ng Unang Panahon. Hindi ko pa nababasa itong mga to, pero soon, babasahin din naman natin. And also, all of these books are signed by Sir Egay. Thank you, Sir Egay. Okay, let's move on to another author na sobrang love ko. I really enjoy his writing, his stories. I love na karamihan sa sinusulat niya ay queer-centric and LGBT yung theme. So, pag nagbabasa ko ng books niya, nakaka-happy lang talaga. So, no further introductions needed para kay Sir Chuck Berry Pascual. So, I have some of his books here with me. So, from Adarna, we have Mars May Zombie. So, yun na lang nalagay ko dyan. This is book 1. And book 2, Mars Maraming Zombie. There. Then, may isa pang series, si Sir Chuck. From Avenida naman, we have The Vanished. I don't have the Filipino version, yung Ang Nawawala, but I have the English translation. There. And then, book 2, Ang Nawawalang Barangay. There. And I also have some collections. First one is Bayan ng Mga Bangkay. And the other ones, Plus at Iba Pang Plus, Maramihan. And the other one, Plus at Iba Pang Plus, Maramihan. I think this is the non-fiction one. And then ito naman yung fiction. So these were edited by Chuck Berry Pascual and Rolando B. Tolentino. Ang dami ko ring libro, makikita nyo yun soon from Sir Rolando Tolentino. So yeah. So again, these are books by Chuck Berry Pascual. Hi Sir Chuck. May iba pang books ni Sir Chuck pero nasa ibang boxes kasi. So makikita nyo rin naman yun soon. Okay. The next ones that I have ay yung mga nabili ko sa sale. Actually, na-feature ko na to. Na-feature! Sorry. Na-feature na tong mga to sa isa kong video, which is the haul video, book haul video. Balikan nyo na lang. I think that was around June or July this year din. So makikita nyo naman yun sa, what do you call this? Sa list of videos that I have. But, since this is a bookshelf tour, let me bring you to the books again. Okay, let's start. So we have from Genoveva Edosa Matute, Mga Piling May Ikling Kwento, from 1939 to 1992. We have Elena M. Patron, Mga Kwento ng Puso. Here's alias Juan de la Cruz at Iba Pang Kwento ni Placido R. Parcero Jr. Then we have Ang Bulkan at Iba Pang Kwento by Bienvenido A. Ramos. We also have Timbulan ng Pag-ibig at Iba Pang Kwento ni Rosario Ladia Jose. And we also have here Ang Ginto sa Makiling at Iba Pang Kwento ni Macario Pineda. As you can see, rather, karamihan ay mga short stories kasi ewan ko, bigla akong naging interested sa short stories. I like that I get to read different stories in one book. So, hindi ako napapako sa iisang kwento lang. So, there are many stories in one book. Parang sulit yung pinambayad mo dun sa libro kasi dami mo nang nabasa, isang libro lang siya. So, I hope that makes sense. Anyway, let's continue. We also have here Kay Lalim ng Gabi at Iba Pang Kwento ni Agustin C. Fabian. Ito, this is a new book. Recent book lang siya. So, Armor Stories by John Bengan. Then, you have Alimuom, Kalipunan ng Mga Kwento ni Ellen Sikat. And I also have Katang Isip, Mga Kwentong Fantastiko. This is by Rolando B. Tolentino and Romel B. Rodriguez, mga editors. Okay, moving on. We also have Mga Kwento ng Pag-ibig ni Liwayway A. Arceo. Another one from the same author, Mga Piling Katha. Next, we have Ang Mag-anak na Cruz. Then, we also have Teacher. And last one from Liwayway Arceo, we have Canal de la Reina. The next one we have is from Gloria Villaraza Guzman, Damdamin ni Corazon at Iba Pang Mga Kwento. Another one from the same author, Maningning ang Pag-ibig, 18 Kwento. Next one, we have Bulaklak ng Maynila by Domingo G. Lancho. Another one from the same author, Bathaluman at Ibang Kwento. Next, we have Landas sa Bahaghari at Iba Pang Kwento ni Benjamin P. Pascual. Another one from Benjamin P. Pascual, Lalaki sa Dilim. And we now have Sa Bukang Liwayway ng Isang Kalayaan at Iba Pang Kwento ni Rosario de Guzman Lunat. And another one from the same author, Ang Balabal ng Diyos, Ang Silid ng Makasalanan. 2 novels in 1 book. And ito, classic talaga to. Ang Tuduman, May Langit Din ni Andres Cristobal Cruz. Okay, let's move on. We have a few more books. Okay, we have Kwentong Siyudad ni Rolando Tolentino, Romulo P. Baquiran Jr. at Alvin C. Aguirre. This one, I read this, I think, July this year. Malikmata at Iba Pang Kwento ni Benigno R1. I also have Friend Zones by Sian Sayan Abadhugo. And then here, Ang Dagling Tagalog. This is edited by Rolando B. Tolentino and Aristotle J. Atienza. Okay. The next one I have, ito hindi na to Ateneo Press. I got these very recently, isa sa sale at isa naman during a book talk. Binili ko talaga for the book talk. So, ito yung nakuha ko sa sale ng National Bookstore. We have Hangga't Alat ang Dagat at Isang Haligi Asin ni Joey A. Arrogante. I haven't heard of the author. First time kong marinig tong author na to. But since this is a gay novel, matik, binili ko na. Okay. And then, ito naman, nakuha ko lang for free actually. So, Kung Ipaghiganti ang Puso ni Deogracias A. Rosario. Nakakuha ko to sa parang raffle ng KWF. Oo, a few months ago. And ito yung pinintahan kong book talk. Sorry, naputol bigla yun. Sabi ko, warehouse sale, tapos book talk, naputol. So, we have Wayang Alimagnum ni Joel Donato Ching Jacob. So, nagkaroon ng book talk a few weeks ago, and ito yung na-feature. And yeah, very short lang siya, oh. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to reading this as well. Sana mahanapan ko ng oras sa 2026. Yeah. And also, binigyan din kami ng free zine ng author. So, check yung title. The Queen That Crawls. There. So, that's about it. Actually, yun lang yung laman nitong box na ito. I'm calling this the Ateneo de Manila box dahil ang daming yung books from Ateneo de Manila Press. So, again, I hope may nakuha kayong idea sa kung anong magandang basahing libro. I've read some of the books here and makikita nyo naman yun sa mga reaction videos ko sa channel. So, when you have the time, please do check them out as well. So, that's it. Thank you so much for spending your minutes with me. I will see you sa part 10 ng ating bookshelf tour. Have a good day. This is Marky from PH Books and More. See you soon. Bye!